Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Measure and assemble ingredients. 3 cups shredded sweetened coconut, 1 can 14 Oz sweetened condensed milk, 1 teaspoon vanilla, and a pinch of salt. Stir until the mixture is uniformly sticky and holds together when pressed. Cover and chill the bowl in the refrigerator for 30 minutes to firm the mixture so it shapes cleanly. Prepare a sheet pan lined with parchment and set aside 8 ounces of dark chocolate for melting, plus a fork or dipping tool to coat each bonbon after rolling. Take the chilled coconut mixture and, using slightly damp hands, roll into 1-inch balls to yield about 24 pieces. If you want a filling, press each ball into a small indentation, add 1/2 teaspoon of ganache or a toasted almond, and reform the ball to seal. Arrange all bonbons on the parchment-lined tray, leave space between pieces, and chill them for 15 minutes. This step firms the outer surface and prevents excessive melting when you dip them in warm chocolate. Gently melt 8 ounces of chocolate over a double boiler or in the microwave using 20-second bursts, stirring until smooth and not exceeding about 115 degrees F. Using a fork or dipping tool, submerge each chilled bonbon, lift, tap off excess chocolate, and transfer to parchment. Work in small batches to keep chocolate fluid. Let them set at room temperature until firm, or refrigerate for 10 minutes to speed up setting. Finish with a sprinkle of toasted coconut, a pinch of sea salt, or drizzle.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.